cabin 15339A. This is a massive suite. Let's take a look around. This is your massive suite. This is 830 square feet with a 1,317 square foot terrace. Wow, this is incredible. Got a little room you can close off here. I think this is kind of like your music room. Got electric guitars. Line the wall. Beautiful living area here. Big circular sofa for socializing. Beautiful bar area. Record player. Make sure you borrow some records from the record shop, or you can purchase something. This is the bedroom, and I'm going to step back a bit here, and you can see that those doors do close for increased privacy. You have a peekaboo window into the shower. Beautiful television. Come here. You have a changing area. Beautiful bathtub. Look like a makeup mirror. And into the washroom. Marbled countertop. Big beautiful sink. Shower area with your peekaboo window. Rainwater shower head. Handheld nozzle. Bench. And the toilet area. Come back through. The changing area. And I'll take another look at that bathroom. And I've made my way out to the amazingly impressive 1,300 square foot private terrace. Got your own jacuzzi, outdoor shower, like plant life out here as well. If you're looking to do some outdoor dining, you've got an outdoor dining table. Little social space. Beautiful hammocks. They're coiled up right now, but they could get those set up for you. Lovely little area here, day bed, where you can enjoy the beautiful Caribbean breeze. It's a beautiful 1,300 square foot private terrace. And this is the massive suite on Resilient Lady.